tired na. I'm going home na. Because it's already morning. It's 1 a.m. in the morning and I am tired and sleepy. So, TikTok and TikTokers, good night. I love you all and thanks for everything. I'm lonely, but I will be happy soon. I know. Truly. Ciao, ciao, everyone. My eyes is tired already. I'm gonna go home now. Bye-bye. Love the overlooking. It's so tired. But it's nice. Ciao, ciao.